Okay, year six, good morning, and welcome back to the final lesson this week on our narrative. So today you're going to be looking at completing some research. We're going to look at actually what the key theme is behind this book, some of the story that um, John Marston and Sean Tanner are trying to portray to us, trying to get across, okay, using the characters of the rabbits, but actually what underpins it, what are the key things that we need to know. Now, I left out a page when I read it to you, so it's the final page before. Um, so it's the second to last page. The very last page is the page that says, "Who will save us from the rabbits?" Now, the page before that gives us some clues around where this is set, and that's what I'd like you to think about today. So it says, "Where is the rich, dark earth, brown and moist? Where is the smell of rain dripping from the gum trees? Where are the great billabongs alive with long-legged birds?" Now, within there, there are two things described that give us a clue about where in the world this might have been set. Now, what I'd like to do is have a think about that. Where might that be? Look at two of the words, give you a clue. We're going to look at gum trees and billabongs. Okay, now today's lesson, I'd like you to think about these words first of all. What do these words mean? Okay, and I want you to find a definition. So I want you to use the internet, find a definition for each of these. Okay, make sure it's the correct definition. Think, does it fit with our story? Okay, so the word billabong, aborigines, gum tree, and empire. Okay, now two of these words have been used in brands. Okay, so a clothing brand, and one is a website. Now, do you think they are going to be the definitions that we're looking for? Okay, probably not. So I'd like you to think about the definition that you're choosing. Is it correct? Does it fit with what we think this story might be about? Okay, now once you've done that, I would like you to complete some research, and I found two websites, okay, um, on the native people of Australia. Okay, now I'd like you to go onto the internet, okay, and this Indigenous Australians Fact for Kids, okay, and there's lots of information on here, okay, that I would like you to think about and use, okay, and then there is also, okay, a news round, okay, on Australian Kids Explain Aboriginal Culture. So these two links here, okay, you can type those into your um, computer, have a look at those, and I'd like you to create a fact sheet for me, write out some bullet points, some notes. We've done lots of work on note taking. Okay, so I'd like you to write down and take a picture, send back to me some notes that you've completed on the native people of Australia and also the definitions of each of these words, these key clues from within the story as to where this was set. Okay, so they are clues that it was set in Australia. Okay, and I'd like you to look at why they were clues. What are they? What do they mean?